Hi, this is the demo for the first version of Notion database integration. Let's take a look. In your workspace, just directly go to creation mode. When we connect the new data, there's a new option called Connect Notion. So if this is the first time we use in Notion database connection, it will ask us to authorize it. Basically means we have to go through the OAuth process with Notion itself. So once we confirm, we have to leave the site and choose the workspace we want to do the integration. For example, here I'm using my own personal Notion. Just keep going. By default, it will duplicate a new template into workspace, so you can use it for testing purpose. When we allow access, it will redirect back to columns. And as you can see here, we actually have two databases now. One is like duplicated from the access connection. So just hover over. If you want to see the database itself, you can just click the open link, navigate to link to Notion and see the content. But here, let's just select one and connect. Once we do the connect, like any other connections, we need to give it an example. Here we just say Notion, columns Notion samples, descriptions, we can put anything there, like test Notion connection. So it will also grab some sample data from your Notion database. Your Notion database can be very big, like 1,000 rows or even million rows. But here we only grab some samples, so for reference. Everything looks good. As I can see here, I have a formula, I have status, number, text column, select, everything. Those are very detailed column type defined by Notion, but we were going to convert them into columns type. So nothing we need to do, we just directly go to connect. Once we do connect, we can see the new data source is added, and the source type is Notion. So now we can just visualize it. When we click visualize, columns will connect the database, loading all the data, and we can start to analyze and build a visual story. This has nothing special like any other data source. For example, I want to build a timeline, aggregate the value. I'll add another one. I want to aggregate double value as well. So I can do sum both of them. If I want to see line, see bar, I want to do go to design, to give me more space, right? Drop a smart widget. It generated a summary value for me. Or if I want to see the average, I can do that as well. If I want a smart label, I can do that as well. Like drag to any bar, it shows the value for me automatically. The rest of the things is just columns. I just demonstrate the Notion connection. Right now it's still in beta. We have some more features to add, such as how to, Slack, just similar like Slack. How can we post back the visual story back into your page? We're going to add some shortcut here automatically if you connect in Notion. Please give it a try. If you see any issues, please let us know. We're going to fix it promptly, as this is a new feature. Thank you so much.